Hey Diva Dolls, this is your girl Crystalchanel, and I am back with a brand new video for my channel, and it is all about shopping today, y'all. I picked up a couple of cute looks from fashionnova, but before we get into it, if you are new to this channel, stop what you're doing, hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell, and if you are an existing Diva Doll, please double check that your bell is on. I keep getting comments on my videos saying that you guys are missing my videos, you haven't been seeing my videos, so listen. Make sure you're subscribed, unsubscribe, subscribe again, whatever you got to do, I don't know, but I definitely want to keep making these videos for you dolls, so please make sure you're subscribed and tune in. But now that we got that out the way, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into it. So today I am starting with this sweater dress. I am kind of hippie, so it's definitely something that I wasn't sure was going to work or not. It's a little tight on my midsection, but honestly I think I can still rock it. I would definitely want to wear something like this with some sneakers. So I think it's really cute. This is like a color block color, and it's in size extra large. So if you don't care for how tight it's on me, then you definitely would want to go ahead and size up. I'm gonna put the details of everything I pick up down below in the box, as well as any coupon codes, as well as my measurements, so you guys get an idea of how you can shop. So I really love the colors. I think this is really girly and also very comfortable. It's like a true sweater feel, and it's really cute and chic. Next up, we have this two-piece set. It is a casual set. It's color olive. It's size extra large. I was really impressed when I put this set on because of how it feels. It's like a thick t-shirt feeling, however, has some sort of stretch and give to it. We all know that if it stretches, it's one of my favorite things as far as fabric because it forms to your body and it feels comfortable. So check out how cute and casual this is. And I would imagine wearing this with some sneakers, just easy to throw on and go on the days like today. It's fairly warm outside with the sun now, of course, as it gets cooler during the night when the sun goes down, but this is something I would just throw on and wear. Not to mention, you can also style it by putting it in a knot. I really like how the sleeves cut. Can you kind of tell how it gathers? Like, I think that's really cute. It gives an ordinary t-shirt some sort of shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and step back and show you what I mean. Or like I said, you can go ahead and tie it in a knot. It's the same outfit, just done a little differently. And then again, look at the sleeves. I love the shape that it gives you on the sleeves. So really basic two-piece set, very comfortable, very chic, and I definitely recommend it. As you can see in the back in the mirror, it's a little too small for me, and unfortunately, this set is sold in one size. As far as the top and the bottom is the same size. So I got size extra large, and because I'm very bottom heavy, I'm like 52 inches in my hips. The back didn't come up far enough for me. It's really like low waist, and that's just not gonna work. Top to me is a little baggy. Like if you can see right now, it's kind of open. So I would definitely need to wear like a tank top or a bandeau top or something like that because my chest is really open. For me, I don't think this outfit really works for sizing because the top is a little too baggy and the bottom is a little too small. Whew. Yo, I had to catch my breath on this one, okay? Like, let's just talk about it for a second. Are we not in quarantine? I can't even remember the last time I put on some jeans. Nevertheless, some tight, skinny jeans, okay? So these jeans are a size 15. I remember back in the day, just a couple years ago, I was a size 13, 12, a girl. These are a 15 and they're really stretched, so that's my saving grace. And honestly, 15 or 1X, that's gonna be your girl size. So quarantine got me eating and drinking and just being happily engaged. Like, whew. Let me just take a breather. Okay, now that I can breathe, let's get into these jeans. One thing fashionnova jeans are gonna do, honey, is always give you the apple booty. So let's just start there. I absolutely love how they hold me in suck me in and shape my booty, okay? So really comfortable jeans. I have so many jeans from Fashion Nova. It's not even funny because I like that they don't gap. So for those girls who are curvy or hippie and got like booty, you don't gotta worry about having that big gap right here because it all the way snatches because it's stretchy. Definitely gotta do one of these in this bad boy. It's really strong and sturdy because like I said, I had to struggle to get in these things, but I'm in them. I don't have to worry. I feel like they're gonna stretch over a few wears, and I just will make sure when I wash these jeans not to put them in the dryer. Next, I have this t-shirt, and I absolutely love that Fashion Nova has so many different options for printed graphic t-shirts. So this is really cute. I know my nieces, nephews are gonna love this because it's Power Rangers, and they're like all about the Power Rangers, and it's so nostalgic for me because I'm thinking like, they're still around. They've been around since I was little, you know? But I love it because this is size, I wanna say extra large, I'll double check, but I like how long down that it goes. These jeans are definitely different than what you are used to me wearing as far as the silhouette. I'm always going for something really tight, body conscious, but these ones are more wide leg and they're loose fitting towards the bottom. They don't have a whole lot of stretch, but they actually feel really forgiving on, okay? So they feel comfortable. These again are in a size 15. Make your booty looks pretty good. I like the detail on the bottom. Look at the bottom. They have like a split. Do you see that? So really cute. And then again, you just wear it with a cute graphic t-shirt. Like this is definitely something I would wear. I would even put on some cute strappy black sandals. Like if I wanted to like be dressed up, like cute casual streetwear kind of look. Of course you can wear it with some like all Air Force Ones or something. Definitely digging this. Cute casual slay, honey. I'm here for it, okay? What would you wear these with? Like I would really want to wear them with some cute strappy sandals because of the detail on the bottom. You're definitely going to pay attention to the shoe that you're rocking. So don't be afraid to step outside of your box, y'all, because I would never ever really wear jeans like this, but I wanted to try something different and I'm not too mad at it. Next up, we have this heather gray two-piece. Just get into it, y'all. Like I absolutely love the way this feels. I'm all about comfortableness and just being chic. Like how easy is it just to throw on a one-piece item like this? And I take that back, it's not just one pieces. Look at this. It comes with two pieces, y'all, and this is such thick, heavy, stretchy, but lightweight material at the same time. So what I mean by that is that it's definitely not see-through. It's very stretchy. It feels good on. It doesn't feel like it's too much fabric to make you hot or anything, but it's thick fabric. This is my favorite thing out of the whole entire haul because it's easy to throw on, it's comfortable, and it's so cute and chic. You could be hot and just wear this. You can put something else on with it, like a sweater. You can put it on with a jean jacket, or you can wear it with this. And when you get hot, take it off. When you get cold, you put it on. This is so cute. So cute. I love it. So last and certainly not least, we have this one-piece outfit. Again, during quarantine, I am all about just comfort, y'all. Just comfort and cuteness and easy. Some days I don't even want to like get dressed. Instead of me just looking like craziness all day, I can at least have something fast and easy to throw on. So that's what this is to me. This is really trendy though, as far as with like the piping detail that you see. Really trendy on social media right now, but I wanted to give it a try. I believe I got this in a 1X because I was a little nervous as far as the sizing, or it might be an extra large. I don't know. I will figure it out and put the details down below. But this is another one of those really stretchy, really comfortable fabrics. So check this out. It's ribbed, which is my favorite, and it's stretchy and it's not see-through. It comes with a cute face mask. So the face mask matches. Check it out. How cute. Okay, dolls, so that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this quarantine and chill, super cute haul. Everything, again, was very comfortable. Everything fit for the most part. Anything else that you guys have questions about, leave the questions down below. Look down below also for the links to everything. Use Crystalchanel for your coupon code unless you shop their Black Friday deals or something like that. They always got deals and emails, so make sure that you go to their website and sign up for their email list, and that's really it. So if you've ever shopped Fashion Nova before, leave the comments down below. Let the other diva dolls know how your experience was. If you don't already follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that, and my name is @Chrissy the Doll. If you're not also subscribed to this channel, make sure that you subscribe. Again, please, please, please make sure your notification bell is on. I don't know what's been going on with YouTube lately, but I know a lot of people have not been getting my videos, so that's a way that you can make sure that you get a video. Comment down below your favorite thing about this haul, and I'll be certainly sure to comment back. I have a fitness and a vlog channel. Make sure you are following and subscribing to those channels as well, and that's really it. I want to thank you dolls so much as always for your love and support, and stay fabulous and stay fierce.